Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Whoever rocket Giotto, and this was brought in because it wasn't heating. We found the CPU to be bad, not supplying power to the heating element, and we replaced that and some electrical connections over the safety switch where there seemed to be just some brittle plastic connections. But here it is working. I'm gonna test it. Like the grind's a little coarse. Pressure's good. Alright, we'll do some steam. And some hot water. Alright, there you have it, rocket heating once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.